Ever looked up at the sky and wondered how far away is the sun? Today, we're going to explore this astronomical question and find out just how vast our solar system really is. To measure the distance between the Earth and the Sun, astronomers use a unit called the astronomical unit, or AU. 1 AU is the average distance from the Earth to the Sun, approximately 93 million miles or 150 million kilometers. Historically, measuring this distance was a major challenge. Early astronomers like Aristarchus of Samos and later, during the 18th century, the transits of Venus were used to make more accurate calculations. These observations laid the groundwork for our modern understanding. Today, we have far more precise tools. Radar reflections off planets, spacecraft telemetry, and observations from space telescopes allow us to measure distances with incredible accuracy. Using these methods, we have confirmed the average distance of 1 AU. The Earth's orbit around the Sun is not a perfect circle, but an ellipse. This means the distance between the Earth and the Sun varies throughout the year. At its closest, the Earth is about 91 million miles away, perihelion, and at its farthest, about 94.5 million miles, aphelion. This variation in distance affects the amount of solar energy we receive, contributing to seasonal changes. However, tilt of Earth's axis has a more significant impact on our seasons than the distance to the Sun. To put this in perspective, the Sun is much closer to us than other stars. For example, the nearest star, Proxima Centauri, is about 4.24 light-years away, which is nearly 268,000 times farther than the Sun. Understanding the distance to the Sun helps us grasp the scale of our solar system and the universe beyond. It's a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity that we've come so far in our quest to understand the cosmos. If you enjoyed this journey through space, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating science content. Thanks for watching, and keep looking up.